Hello parents, this is Jill Skidmore from the Spark Academy Home Edition, and today I have a very fun and very inexpensive activity you can do with your children at home. All you're going to need is a clear glass. Mine's breakable, but you can use plastic, anything that's see-through. You're also going to need some raisins. Make sure you just separate them. And you're also going to need some, something bubbly soda. I have Sprite because that's what I had on hand. So basically this activity is called Dancing Raisins. Kids are always super impressed. It's always a really fun activity that they can help you do. So the first thing you're going to do is to pour your soda into the glass. Alrighty, that looks good. And I recommend like a taller glass because it makes the raisins rise and fall. It just makes it more fun for the kids. Then you're going to drop the raisins in. So now you can see the raisins rising and falling in the glass. This is just a great calming release activity that you can do with your children with simple soda and some raisins that you've separated. You can just relate like the bubbles are emotions or our worries, and they're just being released because at the top. You can also relate it to maybe anger, because I know sometimes kids feel angry when their schedule is thrown off or things aren't exactly going their way. And it'll be good even for after all of this is over. And I've done this countless times, and it's always been a crowd pleaser for the children in my life. So as I go up and down, you can see the bubbles releasing, and I know that your kids will enjoy it as much as the children in my life has enjoyed it. And until then, be safe and be well. Until next time, bye-bye.